Welcome back to Xcar, your destination for the world's most exclusive automobiles, luxury vehicles, and next-generation mobility. Today, we're stepping into a
whole new level of opulence with something
that goes far beyond a traditional RV. This is the $2 million Mercedes Majestic luxury motorhome, a rolling mansion designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, technology, or prestige. From the outside, the Mercedes Majestic immediately commands attention. Its aerodynamic body, sharp LED lighting signature, and commanding stance make it look more like a futuristic luxury yacht on wheels than a motorhome. The signature Mercedes front design, massive panoramic windshield, and premium paint finish announce its elite status even before you step inside. Every line is sculpted for both elegance and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even at highway speeds. Inside, the Majestic truly lives up to its name. You're welcomed into a handcrafted interior featuring Italian leather seating, real wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The living area feels like a high-end penthouse, with a spacious lounge, ultra-wide 4K displays, a premium surround sound system, and smart glass panels that adjust transparency at the touch of a button. The kitchen is fully equipped with luxury appliances, marble countertops, induction cooking, a wine cooler, and ample storage, making long journeys feel like life in a five-star hotel. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed, private entertainment system, walk-in wardrobe, and a spa-inspired bathroom with a rainfall shower and premium fixtures. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Majestic is powered by a high-performance Mercedes engine paired with advanced suspension technology for a smooth and confident drive. Intelligent driving aids, adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and 360-degree cameras ensure safety and ease, even with its massive size. At $2 million, the Mercedes Majestic isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. It's built for celebrities, business leaders, and luxury travelers who want absolute freedom without sacrificing elegance. If you enjoyed this exclusive look at the 2026 Mercedes Majestic luxury motorhome, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Xcar for more extraordinary automotive experiences.